Hi there, it's Ian, and again I am wanting to talk about one of my 3D prints, and this time it is a model that I've made for my son, Bob's rocket. Bob's rocket's based on the books of Simon Bartram, Man in the Moon, and Bob's best ever friend, I think. So if you're not familiar with the books, then I'll just give you a bit of background on those. So Simon Bartram writes and illustrates the books, and the illustrations are really good. Each page has got hidden gems all over there, little jokes and stuff like that in the illustrations. So they're really good, and it's a proper quirky sense of humour that runs throughout the books. And I think certainly, I say, my son's 3 and he really enjoys them, and we really enjoy reading the books together. So if you've got young children, I would definitely encourage you to look them up. If I move this a bit closer to the camera, hopefully you can see a bit more of the detail in the light there, and the little star is a feature on there. All of these parts are obviously printed separately. The nose cone I've still probably to print again. With the exception of the nose cone, everything snaps together. Didn't get the mechanism perfect, I have to say, but there's still time for me to try that again and print it. I'll run the montage and you can see some close-ups of the rocket and the various parts. So I'll run through the model itself, all printed in Fillamentum Extrafill PLA, green grass, traffic white, traffic black, also traffic black down at the bottom there, sky blue, and then these, I believe this is traffic red and traffic yellow. If that's not right, I'll correct it down in the description. All of these parts were printed on Prusa i3, most of them on the Mark IIs, with the exception of the check here that was obviously on MMU2, and I think came out really well. The other colour that I didn't mention, I guess it's slightly hidden there, that's crystal clear PLA that's in the porthole there. I think the details came out really well. Hopefully you saw that on the montage. And obviously, as per usual, the Prusas did a great job. Because Bob's rocket's not my intellectual property, it's Simon Bartram's, based on his illustrations from the books. I've decided not to release this model in the way that I usually would. So if you've made it this far, thanks a lot for watching. I really do appreciate it. As always, I would appreciate it if you like the video, that you give it the thumbs up, and equally, I'd be really happy if you hit the subscribe if you've not already done so.